I curse the day you people were born. I just said to home and Nipa, Timon Satra Magini. Etino, we have clearly indicated, saying, if the Jehovah Witness people are saying there is no hell, ladies and gentlemen, fellow believers, there is hell. Hell is real. Hell is alive. If you miss heaven, you won't miss hell. I say, beg you, Papa tell them. Beg you, they say, Matthew, even the church of Presbyterian church, now omu officiating gay marriage, single sex, homosexual, they are officiating. I'm aware in the news, all over Europe, they are doing it. Nenona, and nona meka say akwei ne bone na nyame kuno. And they were telling me, say, Adentina Aburuchiri and the boye fugo ne nyame nkuom. Here, God has reserved that judgment day for them. The boni biba. It is a more Africa for a baby for me yonko Ghana for motia manone no. Mamon copy on way of life no. O my brabo boni no mamon copy you. With the abrafunom be wire henyaria or be done the toss so. I saw Momre one of Mongokrano. I just see a fine will be okutiki to nurse them. Look at all kinds of ailments. Nyariwa kudua e wo honom. Ofi say de Nyankopon na twa muka atroyente makasi sisi wo ho. Sa mumuye bi achiwade no enti na nyame e punish from that way. No one know they are developed nation ti atroyente me buy no mass rebuild it. Therefore what to ufi Africa ufi Ghana ha ne two kwan ko ho. Me pa che ohwem na di upa e ye school wo de aginim de no na emo do not copy their way of life because one hwe ya burochire na wo yenti unyam kwa obekọ hell. Na hell no so se wuti ani yi na sisi a uwu ko ho a Yesu ma yi no wo mu edi kan de wo mu wazampo wo mu edi kan de dia wo na odi 15 years akwa bi ne ga ya gombia wo kem na kan ni chi free no maku ano maku oni ne girl agombia salute was shooting again. Oh, come no, can't you bring no more? Minimum say, oh, Gabriel Holmes as a way. Go, was a same no, you know, you can, was a green no, go, no, was a man, don't tell. And it is a what to point for Ghana. Men, you won't say Europe, you are not an European, you are not an American, you are not a British. One year Europe, one year EU, one year Ghana, men, now won't go toilet. And don't compete their way of life. Okay? Hey, so Nyankopon ye, Nyankopon baby will be around. So what's so best soon now? Obesum ye. Hey, your friend said, Sodom and Gomorrah. Shebumuyene Bonia Woodwa, even gay for you, and so there were virgins. Not lot in the money of virgins. Not lot money of virgins. It's Ubet in the midst of prostitutes and be a virgin. Be a virgin. Be a candidate for heaven. And for Kwaji Niabru. And for Kwaji Niabro, it's Miniano Matu Kwa Manone, Messamo away Yankopon, a demo, Nemobro, whom we tumofo, say Abrofuni Subano Mamon copy, and Quadana Yawo Mohono, O Papa Yagan and you, O Mammy Yagan and me, Yawo Abruchi, a Yaw say Wuchi Abruchiro, Umfriho, and Penifosi country here, and Unintian heading, Echo, that will be one year the Momo back to Africa. Ghana here, etin kwadana mumwadia munimo mamenom kasa ro from mamika se binchirawo nyankopon samsa membo mokoko di wajani unani na wonkwa na aware wasase so. If you think that you are living in the democratic society etin yamope na mba yamo mame obi tumi free koti ewo mame oya me free koti ama kwasia wone wo mame hwan na wone nyonko modi yamomfa nyankopon asem ni agoro mfa nyame asem ni agoro. Eti menye ho so obi oye aburof unye broni uye Ghanani uye African. If you are Nigerian, be a Nigerian. If you are South African, be a South African. Those of you watching me from Italy, I told you, say when I come there, I'm sure you people will burn me alive because your pope your pope and all the poets who are there, yes, in Krumo cry, yes, and I just am wishing me kume and me woo and I'm a call and me who's a meduma. Some more some bishops need your friends and fathers more Roman sisters and yem womb and no more papa abortion. Me Jehovah Witness and me by Roman Catholic so. Nothing the canker the corruption woman we will unveil on mask any church a dini pako say him. Yam penny many pants say you. Yam penny many pants say nipa 3 pe and the big tinamena say young kwa a yet since say in the padomba be good then no beira. It is Jehovah for munyina yi na nadie Christ ehun we yi mo to Bible no eno ne de kire ewiase no nti we no ewiase afene nyina they will receive copies and they watch. First part no when I went to check enipa bebrehwe those who are questioning they are asking. I spent the whole of today busamere on me dancing fitia no pa me sorry me tna ewiye na me kodware me tna ha hwehwe Bible num kenkaye prepare ya just because people are getting lost. Questions are ever and just say me nyu manyo enye Jimmy ni bi sorry ya say yi aya me nkwa bontin ko preach me nkwa bontin ko preach. I believe say I da crowd will say comment no me nkwa bontin ko preach na ne me ye de me chikele wele. And you know that is the issue. There is hell. And you need Jehovah for kano. Se bia ba mufi no ma bedada said there is no hell. Eti obrebia bo ba. Woman no woman said there is no hell. And you know mo we inside which as we know. You can't tell as we know the year saboso. Kwa sorry ba no aba bi twa wo twa bi ebu didi. No onom or checking how far because one believer say there is no hell. Obua any yakin kind of we have the somebody in the better platform so now the quotations na go back read for yourself. There is hell papa. Yanto the next thing one more scribe afi Jehovah for say so be ye Jehovah ni asore ba na ojai asore no a say nipa no mun consider the say oyo tamfo oye enemy na say nipa na ense say omoboa no na say eyewo na wo ba empo no ye wawo no na wo say we hu no kwan di wo jai a reject no pono yini fi wo busuem. I'm going to read from their own material. It is very true. Was say defection ebra will be a free Jehovah Witness mu na wo pie because ebia nipa bebre ensemi America no they will begin to check their belief and on doctrine. No masase wo mo ye madwema no minim se nkwasiafo ni wo mo nyanyansafo de wo mo nye ba madwema ne wo Jehovah Witness mu die wo be say na a check wo mo faith ni ye am be Christian say ba bi wo mo no eye ba bi eye. It is how for no mabe wu no kore ne ne a o mo be dwane afiri Jehovah for mu ntie nye Jehovah for e ka f dia for mo wo mo say tio watch tower society medical the watch tower no bi adan a kire wo e hefa na me di gui yi ba koma me Jehovah for this is the watch tower me were many copies because me I was ready. Have you seen it? Watch tower and only there were many copies. This is what their materials are saying. Was say what Tower Society publications assert that members of the group are not